started with the rebounds with our hips. So from there, this, and there. Rebound, 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 rebound. Then we add the low voleos. Low voleo, low voleo. Low voleo backwards, low voleo forward. Then we try the high voleo against her, en contra. There, there, en contra. So she moves in that direction, I go against her. Then she comes in this direction, I go against. With one leg, with the other one. Then we try the voleo a favor. So I'm turning in the same direction than her. There, 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 there. And with the other leg. There, there, there. And at the end, we combine both. We go to the first step, and this is a favor, en contra. A favor, en contra. Again. A favor, en contra. Here, remember to pivot. I try to synchronize my step with her voleo. And we go out. Thank you very much.